What is the second step to access information on minerals on the School Bhuvan website? A. Select Forests. B. Select Agriculture. C. Click on Thematic Series 2. D. Click on Thematic Series 1. The correct answer is C. Click on Thematic Series 2. What exists together after the Big Bang? A. Numerous stars and celestial bodies. B. Only galaxies. C. Only planets. D. Only gas clouds. The correct answer is A. Numerous stars and celestial bodies. Which city is mentioned in the account of Megasthenes? A. Poompuhar. B. Kanchipuram. C. Madurai. D. Iraq. The correct answer is C. Madurai. Which of the following plants is found in the tundra biome? A. Oak trees. B. Palm trees. C. Cacti. D. Arctic moss. The correct answer is D. Arctic moss. What is the term for a mixed population of native Indians and Europeans? A. Creole. B. Mestizo. C. Jumbo. D. Multo. The correct answer is B. Mestizo. Which country is Mount Kosi located in? A. Morocco. B. Niger. C. Egypt. D. Chad. The correct answer is D. Chad. Which US city is an important center for heavy engineering industries? A. Chicago. B. Miami. C. Seattle. D. Boston. The correct answer is A. Chicago. What is a hollow feature at the base of a waterfall formed by cavitation? A. Plunge pool. B. Alluvial fan. C. Distributary. D. Meander. The correct answer is A. Plunge pool. How many peaks in the Nilgiri Hills are more than 2,000 meters in height? A. 48. B. 12. C. 24. D. 36. The correct answer is C. 24. What is Earth's atmosphere described as? A. A layer of rock. B. A layer of ice. C. A layer of gases. D. A layer of water. The correct answer is C. A layer of gases. How many kilometers of roads are maintained by the State Highways Department in Tamil Nadu? A. 50,628 kilometers. B. 55,628 kilometers. C. 60,628 kilometers. D. 65,628 kilometers. The correct answer is C. 60,628 kilometers. What is the approximate area covered by the continent of Asia? A. 25 million kilometer 2. B. 35 million kilometer 2. C. 44 million kilometer 2. D. 52 million kilometer 2. The correct answer is C. 44 million kilometer 2. In which location was the highest temperature ever recorded? A. Amazon rainforest. B. Sahara Desert. C. Greenland Range of Death Valley. D. Gobi Desert. The correct answer is C. Greenland Range of Death Valley. Which of the following is an abiotic resource? A. Bacteria. B. Animals. C. Plants. D. Minerals. The correct answer is D. Minerals. What does the term migrant refer to? A. A person who only moves within rural areas. B. A person who permanently settles in one place. C. A person who moves from one place to another. D. A person who travels for leisure. The correct answer is C. A person who moves from one place to another. Which church is mentioned as a religious destination in Tamil Nadu? A. St. Francis Church. B. St. Paul's Cathedral. C. Velankani Madha Church. D. Basilica of Bom Jesus. The correct answer is C. Velankani Madha Church. What process causes the cavities of sea caves to become bigger? A. Vine deposition. B. Glacier erosion. C. Sea waves. D. River deposition. The correct answer is C. Sea waves. What happens to the independent population of source regions when male workers migrate in search of jobs? A. It fluctuates unpredictably. B. It decreases. C. It increases. D. It remains stable. The correct answer is B. It decreases. What term is used for lines based on latitude on the Earth? A. Meridians. B. Parallels. C. Longitudes. D. Prime meridians. The correct answer is B. Parallels. What are glacial valleys that are partly submerged in the sea called? A. Estuaries. B. Fjords. C. Bays. D. Lagoons. The correct answer is B. Fjords. Besides a circular opening, how else may volcanic eruptions take place? A. Through a wide ocean basin. B. Through a desert wadi. C. Through an underground cave system. D. Through a long crack or fissure. The correct answer is D. Through a long crack or fissure. What process transforms magma into igneous rock? A. Cooling. B. Weathering. C. Compacting. D. Melting. The correct answer is A. Cooling. What type of mountains are formed by the process of folding? A. Fold mountains. B. Volcanic mountains. C. Block mountains. D. Fault block mountains. The correct answer is A. Fold mountains. What body of water is marked near Selur Nagar? A. Kanmai. B. Lake. C. Pond. D. River. The correct answer is A. Kanmai. The ICT Corner activity focuses on understanding the total number of what? A. International migrations. B. Domestic urban populations. C. Rural to urban shifts. D. Global birth rates. The correct answer is A. International migrations. Why is the Tibetan Plateau called the roof of the world? A. It is the highest plateau in the world. B. Mining is a major activity there. C. It is rich in minerals. D. It is a flat-topped plateau. The correct answer is A. It is the highest plateau in the world. What does the percolation process lead to the formation of? A. Surface runoff. B. Groundwater. C. Freezing rain. D. Hail. The correct answer is B. Groundwater. Lines of longitude connect which two points on the Earth? A. North and South poles. B. East and West poles. C. Prime meridian and international date line. D. Equator and Tropic of Cancer. The correct answer is A. North and South poles. Which range radiates from the Pamir Knot? A. Zagros Mountains. B. Hindu Kush Range. C. Arabian Sea. D. Anatolia Plateau. The correct answer is B. Hindu Kush Range. In what year was Uranus discovered? A. 1881. Born in 1681. Circa 1981. D. 1781. The correct answer is D. 1781. How did you score?